I'm Kurt Sampson, your EV guy from CAA Atlantic, here to talk about what's up with EVs. If you live in a rural area and don't see many EV chargers around you, you might think that EVs are not a good choice for you. However, rural residents are much more likely to have the space and ability to install a home charger. So having public charging infrastructure near your home would be of little benefit to you. Where you really want public fast chargers are 200 or 300 kilometers away from your home so you can use them on long trips. Because rural residents tend to drive more than those in the city, the benefits of EV ownership add up even faster. So rural drivers save even more time and money on things like fuel and maintenance. As the world transitions to sustainable electric transportation, CAA is here to help you get there. To learn more about what's up with EVs, visit our website.